Hi everyone, Chris here from the Anatomy Show. I'm here in East Australia in Byron Bay, Hinterland, and we've just had 2 days of really intense weather, lots of rainfall. You can still see the creek really running behind me. That was pretty much dry 48 hours ago. So a lot of precipitation. What I want to show you, which is really interesting, is that we're here maybe at 120 meter, 160 meter elevation. In Byron Bay, they had a forecast of maybe 100 to 120 millimeters of rain. And we had extreme winds. They were recorded at 112 kilometers an hour. It's pretty high, even for here. And then up here, I had my unofficial rain gauge, which is a bucket, straight wall bucket. So whatever rain falls in there is an accumulation of a certain surface area. My rain gauge here, my bucket, is 230 millimeters of rain. Look at this. This is the bucket. This is the water that just from the rain accumulated in there. When I hold the measuring tape in there, we have 230 millimeters on this side, a little bit more, 240, 230. We average it out at 230 millimeters of rain. That's a lot of rain here. Why did it happen? Forecast 100 and 120, and then we end up with almost twice as much. What happens is that we have a phenomenon that we call orographic rain or relief rain. What happens then, obviously all that weather came somewhere off the ocean here at 0 meters. We're at 160 meters, so the clouds have to rise on the first ridge, on the first, I don't want to call it mountain range, but hills coming off the ocean. So as the clouds have to rise to move over it, temperature cools down. And as temperature cools down, you have more condensation and it just buckets down up here. So we ended up with way more water, way more rain than what was forecast. So you have to watch out for it when you live up in the hills. Luckily, water flows downhill. We have very good drainage. Nothing that I know of has happened here, but who knows what we'll read in the news over the next few days. Orographic rain is the rain that increases with altitude as the clouds move up the hill. Different topic today. Stay tuned, we'll send you more updates on movement anatomy